Mastering Harmony, the art of getting along well. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and essential phrase that pops up in everyday conversations: getting along well. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding words to your vocabulary. It's about grasping the essence of positive human interactions. So, let's explore together what it means to get along well with someone and why it's so important in both personal and professional contexts. Getting along well is a phrase that signifies a harmonious or friendly relationship between people. When we say two or more individuals are getting along well, we're highlighting a situation where there's mutual respect, understanding, and often a shared sense of enjoyment in each other's company. This phrase can apply to various relationships, including friends, colleagues, family members, or even casual acquaintances. Key components that indicate people are getting along well include effective communication. They talk openly and listen to each other. Respect. They value each other's opinions and feelings. Enjoyment. They have a good time together, whether they're working on a project or sharing a meal. In both personal life and the workplace, getting along well with others is a cornerstone of positive experiences and outcomes. Here's why it's so crucial. Reduces conflict. Harmonious relationships naturally minimize misunderstandings and disputes. Boosts productivity. When team members get along well, they work more efficiently together. Enhances personal well-being. Positive interactions with others can improve mental and emotional health. Builds a supportive environment. It's easier to achieve goals and overcome challenges when you have supportive relationships. Understanding and fostering the ability to get along well with others can significantly impact your life's quality and your success in various endeavors. Improving how you get along with others can be achieved through intentional actions and mindset shifts. Here are some practical tips. Be open and empathetic. Try to understand others' perspectives and feelings. Communicate effectively. Express your thoughts clearly and listen actively. Show appreciation. Acknowledge others' contributions and qualities. Find common interests. Shared activities or goals can strengthen bonds. Practice patience. Remember that building relationships takes time and understanding. By focusing on these areas, you can enhance your interactions and foster more positive relationships in all areas of your life. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning and importance of getting along well with others. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to apply in your daily interactions. Remember, getting along well with people isn't just a social skill. It's a way of enriching your life and the lives of those around you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy the journey of building harmonious relationships. See you in the next video.